Okay guys, that's a real barn find 65 Mustang. Came out of that barn back there, not that one that you see, but there's another one back behind the trees there. Said his granddad had it. The door opens really good. Wow. Floors look really solid. It looks like a nice car. I mean, the passenger side is wing-wanged really bad. You can see all the welding spots and whatnot where it just got hit really hard, like T-boned or something. But the rest of the car is pretty good. All in the door jambs. They're a lot more solid than most would be. And then we come back out here and look at the strut towers. And those are as solid as can be. It looks like it got wrinkled up in here. You can see it got pushed or something. But we can get that out, no big deal. What do you guys think? I like it. I think that's a cool looking car right there. 65 Mustang. Straight 6. And we're gonna straight yank that thing out of here. Looks like the grill got a little heated up and warped. 96 Rock, Atlanta. We got 98 Rock down in Tampa. Yeah, I think this side got whammy jammied pretty bad. So we'll have to go in and rebuild all that, cut this quarter off and put a new quarter on, and probably grab us a new door. This one looks like a reman or something, but it's not holding up too well. Maybe the inner fender's got wing too. I'm not sure, but not too bad. Peek underneath. That don't look too bad. Seen worse. Yeah, that ain't too bad at all. Rockers look pretty good. Floors don't look too bad. Pretty good. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all.